Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This bath bomb is called Love Me Do, and it's wrapped in a muslin cloth that you're going to want to leave on the bath bomb because this one does contain a bunch of rose petals and little flower pieces in there. So it's pretty neat. It's almost like making tea but in your bathtub because it's all contained and you're essentially letting it dissolve and letting like the petals steep in your bathtub. So it's super fun. This bath bomb is from the 2021 Valentine's Day collection. It's 7 ounces and the price is $9.45. So it's one of their more expensive bath bombs. And as always, smells wonderful. It has fragrance notes of lavender, orange, rose, and ylang. And I'm doing a voiceover right now, so you can't hear the bath bomb in real time. But it was fizzing and making all sorts of noises because of the little reactions that were happening inside the bag. And even as the bath bomb dissolved, the bag stayed inflated because of all the little reactions in there. So it was pretty cool. But you can tell when it was done because it wasn't so puffed up. And I was surprised by how many flowers were actually in there. There was quite a lot. So that's why they leave it in the bag so you don't have to clean that out of your tub. And also it wouldn't be good for your plumbing if you let all that go down the drain. I've used similar products like this in the past, and I don't know, I think they're cool. It's a neat little idea that you don't see too often. So at this point, there's a little bit left. As you can see, as soon as I put it in the water, it puffed back up. But after a few more minutes, you can tell it's more deflated, and that's how you know it's done. And then you can just leave it in the tub to continue steeping while you're in the bath. And it does say on their website that this is compostable too. So you can do that if you're into composting. So that's the demo I have for you today. I have a few more Lush Valentine's Day bath bombs to post. So if you're interested, please subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.